zoom, zoom. Zoom, zoom, zoom. Stargazing mega fast. You hit me like a cosmic.
Hello, internet, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am Shannon, for anyone that's new around here, and I am super excited because today I am bringing a fun and interesting makeup tutorial. I am finally cracking out all of the iridescent, not holographic makeup brands products that I have in my collection. Highlighter, eyeshadow, and a fun lip topper, all inspired by Zenon Girl of the 21st century. One of my absolute favorite Disney Channel original movies, or DCOMs as we 90s kids like to call them. So today, thanks to this eyeshadow, highlight, and lip topper, get to feel like my own supernova girl. So if you're interested in how I created this makeup look, or my outfit and where I got this stuff from, then please just keep on watching. Okay, so we are starting off this video with an iridescent makeup look. I have an extreme collection of iridescent makeup, highlighters and eyeshadow, and a lip topper. So we're really just gonna go for it and put a lot of shiny things on my face. I haven't actually tried this out first, so we will see how it goes. But we're going to start out very quick and easy with my Bobbi Brown base, my Milk Makeup bronzer, and my Milk Makeup blush oil, and my Maybelline Fit Me concealer. So let's just speed right through this section. So now that my base is done, I am ready to move on to the highlight of this look, which is the eyes and the highlight. So we're gonna start with the eyes, so I'm just gonna bring you in a little bit closer. That's close. So the palettes that I'm going to be using today, actually let's start with that. The palettes that I'm going to be using today are just this one beigey color from the You Had Me at Hello ColourPop palette, just using that as a base. Then possibly the NYX Ultimate Eye Palette, but the big highlight, the highlight of this show, is this little ColourPop palette that I made. Basically they have this deal, or I think they still have it, where you can pick 4 individual eyeshadows and you get one of these cute little cases for free. All of it's just 12 bucks. So I've got these nice colors in here, and I'm gonna be using this color here, which I believe is called Glass Bull, and this purpley color here that I can't remember the name of, but will link in the description box below or on my blog, one or the other. So let's start with eyeshadow primer. This is the Urban Decay Eyeshadow Primer Potion. Words. Don't always wear eye primer, but I want this eyeshadow to stick, so. Okay, let that dry for a second. So I'm just going to go in with one of these like fluffy kind of brushes into that original color I showed you in the ColourPop palette and put that all over my lid and in my crease, just as a nice kind of neutral but a little bit of color base. Okay, now that I have that base on my eyes, I'm going to use the same brush and go into this purple color right here and put that also all over my lid and in the crease. Okay, now I am going to place the Glass Bull color on my eyelid with my fingertip because that makes it just a little bit more opaque. So just take a little on my middle finger, not giving you the finger, I promise, and then applying on my lid. I'm really packing it on. I'm going to go back in with that fluffy brush that I was using before, back into the purple, tap tap, and back in through my crease. Got some fallout. Okay, Now I am just going to take a clean, fluffy brush and I'm going to blend, 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 blend. Now I'm going to take the flat side of this e.l.f. brush. Make sure it's clean. It's not. Got orange on it. I'm going to go into that purple. I'm going to drag it underneath my lower lash line. And I'm going to use the fluffy side of that brush and try to clean up some of the fallout that is underneath my eye. And then just clean up the edges a little bit more. This brush is like an eraser. Oh, it's so pretty. Okay, and now to really, really, really take it to the next level. There is a little bit of greeny bluish shimmer in this, and so I'm going to go into that NYX Ultimate Bright palette. I'm gonna take this like minty green kind of color on a lip brush, because it's the right shape, and I'm gonna put it on my inner corner. It's not as pigmented as I hoped, so I am going to go into the sparklier green color that's next to it and hope that that's a little bit more potent. Oh yeah, it is. Okay, so to calm that down a little and make it a little bit more like an inner corner highlight, I am using the NYX Jumbo Eye Pencil in Cottage Cheese that I often use as an inner corner highlight. And I'm just gonna blend that in with it so it looks more like a silvery greenish color instead of just like green inner corner. Okay, and then I'm gonna go back in with the lip brush and blend, blend, blend. Okay, that is a look. I kind of like it though. I don't know if I would wear this on an everyday basis, but for this funness, it is pretty cool. I am going to throw on some mascara, curl my lashes, and throw on my So I am going to curl my lashes and throw on some mascara, and I will be right back with you. Okay, now I'm gonna take a teeny bit more concealer on my pinky finger and use it just to clean up under my eyes a little bit. Okay, now on to the second star of the show, highlight. I have a crazy amount of holographic highlights. I have chosen 3 of my favorites today, and we are going to use all of them. We're gonna mostly focus on the cheek highlight. We are going to go in with the So we're going to start with the L'Oreal Galaxy Lumiere holographic highlight in Cosmic Pink. Gonna rub it onto my fingers. And then straight onto my cheekbone. This is like a pinky highlight, so it's almost like a blush layer, which is why I'm going in with this first. We're gonna use this one on the Cupid's bow and on the tip of my nose. Oh yeah, pretty, pretty, pretty. Next up is this ColourPop Super Shock Cheek Pearlized highlight in Hippo. This one is a bit more purple, so it goes a little bit better with the eyes, I think. So I'm gonna rub my finger into this, my right finger this time, and I'm going to use this as a brow bone highlight. And I'm going to focus it just right in the center of my cheek, so like just right there. I might actually add this to my Cupid's bow too. Yeah, highlight. Last but not least, and certainly most potent, is the slightly more expensive Cover FX Custom Enhancer Drops in Holo. Even though it's not holographic, it is 100% iridescent. Thank you, Simply Now Logical, for teaching me that. I'm going to put a teensy bit of this on the back of my hand. Just like, oh, that was not a teensy bit. That's a lot. Okay, and now we're going to grab ring finger again, dab it into a tiny bit of this, and then all right here. This is like a powerful highlight. It is not subtle. Now I'm a little bit. It matches my iridescent nail polish though. Yeah. Oof, I am shiny. I might even put a little bit of this on my brow bone too. This stuff is so good. And just for fun, a teensy bit on top of the inner corner. Oh, and I fucked that up. Okay. We are back in business. So that is my finished makeup look. What do you think? I am highlighted and shiny. Do I look like Zenon Girl of the 21st century? Okay, next up I am going to attempt to put my hair in space buns, center part, 2 ponytails, and 2 buns. I'm going to do this off camera. Maybe if I figure it out, I'll do a tutorial at another point, but I will be right back with you when I have my outfit and my hair done. So I am back with my space buns and realized that I completely forgot to shoot me putting on my lipstick. Good job, Shannon. But I decided to go with a bright pink color to match my leggings a la Zenon's look in the movie. This is the CoverGirl lipstick. I think it's the Colorlicious lipstick. And 325 Spellbound. And on top, I put this cool Becca Liquid Crystal Lip Topper Glow Gloss. It does not say the shade on it, but I will link it down in the description box below, and I just threw this on top. Haha. It's like pinky with these really cool blue holographic. You see that? Oh, so pretty. So yeah, that is my finished makeup look and hair. Now let's cut to the outfit.
Zone, zone, zone. Make my heart go boom, boom. My supernova girl. Zone, zone. Make my heart go boom, boom. My supernova girl. Zone, zone. Make my heart go boom, boom. My supernova girl. Zone, zone. Make my heart go.
Thanks so much for watching my video today. I hope you enjoyed my slightly more fun and out there makeup look. Maybe not perfect for every day, but you could try like just the eyes, just the highlight, just the lips. Definitely let me know in the comments down below how you make this look your own. Or if you have any suggestions for other incredible women, both fictional and real, that I can recreate the awesome looks of. Again, thanks so much for watching. Give it a like if you liked it, subscribe if you want to see more videos like this, and I will see you next time. Bye guys!
My supernova girl.